Guys, welcome to the channel. So today is finally the day. I'll give you guys an update, a little short update on the SI. I'm pretty sure the video's not gonna be long, but I finally heard back from the Honda technician of what happened to the SI, the internal damages. They took out the whole engine, obviously disassembled it. What I got, my cheat sheet right here, got a list of what has to get replaced. So unfortunately, rods bent, pistons broke, a lot of internal damage, obviously because of the water, gaskets and everything. So why pretty much the engine's gonna get rebuilt. I am gonna need a head block, a long block, gasket kit, meters, covers, obviously the battery, because when I had the car the battery was complete dead, joint, TU, sensors, pretty much everything that had to flush out for the car for the engine to get removed. Obviously it's just, you know, pretty much the engine's gonna get rebuilt from the ground up, everything. Give you guys an update of the SI. So the diagnosis pretty much is the engine is completely done for. We're getting a rebuilt one. We're pretty much gonna get a new one. So sadly, I'm kind of bummed about it because the hydrolocked engine per se only had 18k miles on it. That's pretty new compared to only having for 2 years. So we're gonna be back again at 0 miles. So once I get my car back, unfortunately I'm not gonna have it for a couple of weeks as it's getting repaired. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have the car completely stocked for a couple of weeks for the braking period of the engine. I'm gonna have it stocked, and obviously that's good and bad because fortunately I'll have the car stocked, but it gives me an opportunity to give you guys more install videos. I'm gonna call it the reinstallation series, as you may, because I'm about to reinstall everything that I took off completely. So yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. If you guys enjoyed it, hopefully in the next video there'll be my SI in the background, but right now we have the good old fit for the wife, that being a true champion as a car for now. So thank you guys so much for the support. I'm glad I was able to give you guys an update literally in less than 2 weeks. So obviously you guys can see the weather is still moody AF, raining and pouring everywhere, but luckily this car ain't lowered, so we're able to drive it. But so you guys can hear, just as if, guys, don't hydrolock a car like I did.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But yeah, now we're officially done with this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.